Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add email signature to iPhone. So if you want to add a unique signature to your iPhone, so that each time you send a message, the email signature will display at the bottom of the message, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to add email signature to iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on the mail app. If you're using iOS 10, scroll down and click on apps. Then scroll down to get to the main app. So just keep scrolling to get to the mail app. Then click on that. On the mail app, just scroll down. Then locate and click on signature. Then once you click on signature, you see the signature you want to add. Is it all your account or per account? So if you want to use the signature per account, you can just come here and then set signature you want to use for each of the email you have on your iPhone. But if you want to set one signature for all email, just come here and then type in the signature. So once you type in the signature, hit the back button. Now when next you want to send an email using the mail app on your iPhone, the signature will pop. Now go ahead and open the mail app. So just open the mail app on your iPhone. Then come back here and tap the compose button. So select any of the email you want to use and then click on compose. Then you should see your signature here. You see that? So you can now come here, type in the subject, then type in your mail, then the signature will come up here. So that is basically how to add signature to iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.